Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today I will show you how to create this icon of a microphone in Adobe Illustrator. So we will start by creating a rounded rectangle. So let's go over to the rectangle tool and switch to rounded rectangle. I'm going to click once and set the dimensions to 230 by 400 and make it as rounded as possible, like so. And then I need to create a second one. So again, rounded rectangle tool, click, and this time it will be 330 by 500. And again, make it as rounded as possible. Now we need to align them perfectly to each other. And we need to delete the top part of the outer rectangle. So I'm going to go to the direct selection tool and then click the very top anchor and press delete. Once again. And then move these two a little bit further down by using my arrow keys. Now let's switch over to the line segment tool. Navigate to the bottom part of the microphone holder, click and drag. And then we need to create another one, the base of the holder, and it will go from this right side all the way to this left side. So we're going to utilize these smart guides, these purple lines that are being created automatically. If you do not see them, make sure to go to View and then make sure that Smart Guides is enabled. So I'm going to position it correctly, click and drag until it touches the leftmost side. Now we need to switch to a round cap. So select all of them, stroke, round cap. Maybe this one will be a flat cap. Looks better that way. The center of the microphone will be white, so let's select this one and then enable white. And the last step would be creating the background. So rectangle tool, click and drag, disable the stroke and set the fill to FF00, which is yellow, and then object, arrange, send to back. Cool, and we are almost done. Let's center it. And that's it. So if you have any questions or anything's unclear, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.